You can feel it happening. The conversation that started about dishes or schedules or something small is now about everything. Your voice is getting tighter. Their walls are going up. And you both know where this is heading. There's a moment right there, right before it tips into a full argument, where the whole thing could go a different direction. Most couples miss it, or they try to stop it and somehow make it worse. But there's a phrase that actually works. 4 words that can stop an argument before it becomes the kind you regret. Here's what it is and exactly how to use it. The Gottman Institute has studied thousands of couples over decades, and one of their most important findings is this. The difference between couples who stay together and couples who don't comes down to whether their repair attempts actually work. A repair attempt is anything you do or say to stop a conflict from escalating. It's the handbrake before the cliff. Could be a phrase, a gesture, even a look. Something that says, we're getting off track here, and I don't want us to. In healthy relationships, repair attempts land about 80% of the time. In relationships heading toward serious trouble, they keep missing. And usually the problem is how they're doing it. Here's where most couples go wrong. They try to repair by being logical, by explaining their side more clearly, by pointing out that this argument is ridiculous. We shouldn't even be fighting about this. You're overreacting. Can we just calm down? Those are gasoline, not water, because when someone is activated, when their nervous system is starting to flood, the last thing they can hear is that their reaction is wrong. Even if you're technically right. Especially if you're technically right. Effective repair attempts signal one thing. I'm still on your team. Even right now, in this moment. That's what the other person's nervous system is actually listening for. So what actually works? There are a few phrases that consistently de-escalate conflict. They work because they skip the argument entirely and go straight to the relationship. The most powerful one is just 4 words. I'm on your side. That's it. Not I'm right or let me explain. Just I'm on your side. It reminds both of you that you're not enemies. You're 2 people who want the same thing and got tangled up. If that doesn't feel natural to you, here are some variations that do the same thing. I don't want to fight with you. This isn't us versus each other. Can we start over? I hate when we get like this. Notice what all of these have in common. None of them are about who's right. None of them ask your partner to calm down or be reasonable. They all say the same thing. I'm still here. I still want to figure this out together. There's also a physical version that works for some couples. An open hand, a touch on the arm, even just sitting down if you've both been standing. The nervous system reads these as safety signals, and sometimes your partner can receive that when words aren't landing yet. Timing is everything here. The window for a repair attempt is small. Once both of you are fully flooded, once heart rates are above 100, no words are going to land. The conversation needs to pause entirely, so you're looking for that moment just before it tips, when you can feel yourself ramping up but you're not gone yet. That's when you use it, not as a way to end the conversation, as a way to change the direction. Tone matters too. I'm on your side. Said with an eye roll is sarcasm, not repair. Say it like you mean it. Say it soft. Say it like you're reminding yourself as much as them. And what comes after matters just as much. A repair attempt creates a pause, not a solution. After you say it, stop talking. Let it land. Let your partner decide what to do next. That pause is where the shift happens. Most arguments that become damaging didn't have to go there. There was a moment somewhere in the middle where it could have gone differently. Repair attempts are how you catch that moment. By reminding your partner you're still on the same team, try it next time you feel things escalating. I'm on your side. See what shifts. If this helped, subscribe. We post research-backed relationship content every week, and we'd love to have you here for the next one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.